Hi guys, Juan Harper 20 here. So recently, okay, um, my gaming keyboard. This is a long story. I was angry and decided to, because somebody killed me non-stop in a game. So this is a keyboard that actually got damaged. So when I plug it in, it lights up perfectly and all that good stuff. The other hand, the keys don't work. Sometimes when I play, the lettuce messes up the game. So, what I would do, you know what I'm gonna do? See if I can clean it. If I can't clean it, take it apart. Boop boop. Let's begin. I don't know why this thing's so terrible. The camera quality. I don't know why this thing's so terrible. You guys see it? No. Okay. So this is the gaming keyboard that it lights up for some reason. So I'm gonna take out the screws and see if I could see what got damaged in the keyboard itself. I got a feeling I probably just got to the point that it over-drenched it. So let me see if I could just pull up the back of the case to see what caused it to not work. Oh, there's some water coming out. I already got that screw out, right? Sorry, my allergies are killing me. Okay, I think I got 2 more screws, or 3 more actually. Yeah, 3 more. Oh my god, my nose, dude. Where's my tissues? Oh god. Okay. Okay. Let's put this over here. Oh god. This is probably the LED. This is probably the LED. Yep, this is the LED. That lights up. Trying to be really gentle with this stupid LED here. Okay, get that LED out of the way. Now, these are connected to so these are these are different kind of keys. They're special made keys, I guess. But this is connected to this little metal plate here. This little metal plate here, I think. Yeah. So if I these are the controls to make the keys work, which I heard there's a lot of money for these things. People pay me a lot of money on keyboards like this. If I pull out these 3 screws here, should be able to get into the motherboard system here. Which there's no motherboard in this system actually. People take keyboards all the time. So okay, leave those together there. Now this is the command thing that needs to. I think it's this guy that needs to be replaced. But I don't know. Because inside, I think this is the plastic case into the keys. Oh, there's no plastic to them. Okay, I see what they did. All right. Wait, hold on. Oh, this way. So what I'm thinking of is probably not the keys itself. It's probably this guy. And it's on the ground. Okay, that makes. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. I'll get it later. But anyways, it's probably this guy here. So I know these things don't last long. Oh yeah. It is this guy. It's this thing here. This whole thing got damaged from liquid. But holy shoot. Now there, the glass shattered here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Literally, there's 2 glass shattered here. And these are the LEDs, I believe. And how I know that, if I grab the motherboard to the whole command system, and then plug in the wire itself into the motherboard, I think these are the ones that actually program, make the lights work and all that good stuff. If I could plug it in. Or maybe they go the opposite way. I don't know which side it goes. Wait, hold on. So this goes like this. I thought. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So now if I plug in the adapter here. Yep, this is the one. Okay. And for some reason, these light up. Why? Why do these light up just now? Watch. You see that? Are these the cap locks buttons? I think. Yep. Okay, it is. So if I unplug the adapter to that and plug it in, yeah, these are the control alt delete buttons. Caps, nub, yep. So this is the logic board, I guess. Out. But you know what I'm gonna plan on doing down the future. If you guys want to see that support, please give me a big like, comment, subscribe. I probably would take this. Can I take off this covering? This runs on this. Hold on, let me see. It'll be awesome if it runs on not on the paper, but or like run on the glass itself. Ooh, it does. It runs on the glass, I believe. Oh wait, no, it's not. Hold on. No, it runs on the. All right, hold on. Look at that. Look at how nice that is. That's cool. But yeah, that's all the video I'm going to show you guys today. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Probably down the road, I'll probably make something out of it. Bye, guys.